Today on the Stay at Home Chef, I'm showing you how to make easy oatmeal pancakes. Oatmeal pancakes are a delicious, hearty breakfast that you can quickly whip up. To start, you'll need 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, or you can use whole wheat flour or oat flour or a gluten-free flour blend. Any of them should work just fine. Then you'll need 1/2 cup of oats, and I'm using quick oats, but you can also use old-fashioned if you like a little more texture. You'll also need 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You want to whisk all these dry ingredients together. Then we're going to crack in 2 eggs. Get those in there real quick. Then pour in 1 1/4 cup of either milk or buttermilk. You can use either. Buttermilk makes it a little fluffier. And then 1/4 cup of melted butter. And whisk this all in until everything is well combined. You have your pancake batter. And of course, if your batter is too thick, you can always add in a little more milk to thin things out to your liking. Next, preheat a griddle or even just a skillet to medium-high heat. Then scoop about 1/4 cup of the batter onto the griddle. This recipe makes about 12 pancakes when you use 1/4 cup scoop of batter for each pancake. Once the pancakes get little bubbles around the top and the edges start to look dry, you'll know they're ready to flip. Let them finish cooking on the other side and then you are ready to eat. Serve these up hot with your favorite syrup, and I have to say, my liquid cinnamon roll syrup is probably the best syrup ever, but I'm a little biased. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description. Be sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and check out the rest of my videos where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. See you later.